Myself Manimegle, Department of BCA, Assistant Professor. We are going about operating system. First, introduction of operating system. Next, history of operating system. Then, kind of operating system. First, operating system. What do you means operating system? Operating system means intermediate user and hardware and lifeline of computer. Next, OS order goals. First, OS order convenience, efficiency, ability to involve. Convenience, make to computer use of the friendly. Next, efficiency, allow computer to the user. Next, ability to involve, a way to permit effective development of testing and introduction of a new function without interfering with the service. History of OS. In history of OS, in Windows OS, Windows first starting MS-DOS into up to Windows 10. First MS-DOS, the implement of the fully command oriented. The next OS of launching the minimize and maximize. Windows 3 OS, first two OS updated the version of Windows 3. The next version of Windows 4 and Windows 5. These are OS. The previous OS updation version Windows 4 and Windows 5. Windows 7 OS. Windows 7 OS, the implement of the multimedia concept. In the Windows 7 OS, current ending the OS. Next OS, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. These are OS. Current using the OS. Previous OS not using for the all user. Only use the Windows 7 and Windows 10 and Windows 7 Professional. These are OS currently used the OS. First OS, the first generation of OS, 1945 and to 1955. This OS and vacuum tube, the full size of room, the vacuum tube. This vacuum tube are fully command oriented. The next OS of 55 to 65. This OS of transistor, the chip connected the OS. The next OS of 65 to 8, ICS and multi-programming. These are OS same as a previous generation. IC connector and the easily into multi-process programming. Next generation, fourth generation. Fourth generation are personal computer. In anywhere you take the computer and easily you handle this generation. Type of operating system. Type of operating systems: mainframe and server, multiprocessors and multi-programming and real-time OS. These are the OS and type of OS. First OS, batch OS. This batch OS of many processes are there. First A process can be divided and divide the job. First process completed, after the next process you take them. It is called as batch OS. Next OS, the multi-programming OS. We can process the multi-process. When process is completed or not, take the another process. This called OS, multi-programming OS. Next OS are multi-running OS. This OS we can using the CPU OS. Next OS, real-time OS. The real-time OS for dividing a two-part, soft and hard. Soft OS can it sometime a time dividing a time. Real-time OS. Hard OS not time. Next, computer hardware review. First one the processor. Next, memory. Next, I/O device. Next, bus. These are the computer hardware review. First, processor. Processor is the brain of the computer. Next, the basic of CPU cycle, fetch and decode. Next, memory. The memory is the second major component of any computer. Next, The memory is a fastable. The memory is a construct in a hierarchy. First one magnetic tab, next one magnetic disk, next main memory and cache memory, then register. Next IO device. IO devices consist of two part, controller and device. First one controller. Controller ID, the set of the EQ that are the present in the bulk in the board that physically control the device. It's called the controller. Next one IDE. IDE means integrated device and electronics. This disk controller can handle any disk controller. The software that talks to the controller giving the its command and response to the call device drive. Next bus. A system bus is a single bus that connect a major component a computer system.